Unlock the power of automation in Minecraft by learning to craft the incredibly useful sticky piston. To make a sticky piston, you'll need two essential ingredients and the ability to craft a regular piston first. First, you'll need iron ingots. You can obtain these by smelting iron or found deep underground in a furnace. Next, you'll need to craft a regular piston. Place 4 iron ingots across the top row of your crafting table, 3 cobblestone blocks directly below them, and 1 blaze rod on the bottom center. Now, for the sticky part, place your newly crafted regular piston in the center slot of your crafting table. To its left, place a slime ball and fill the remaining slots in the crafting grid with cobblestone. And there you have it, your very own sticky piston. This block is essential for moving blocks back and forth in your redstone creations. Whether you're building automatic doors, complex farms, or sneaky traps, the sticky piston is a fundamental component that will elevate your Minecraft builds. Start experimenting and let your redstone creativity flow.